This Garrett caster set provides a stable mounting solution that allows for easy transport of PD-6500i and MZ-6100 walk-through metal detectors in both indoor and outdoor conditions. Select a level, stable surface for the installation. If the walk-through will be connected to AC power through the floor level, determine which panel will be nearest the power source. Retrieve the power cable from the bottom entrance side of the selected panel through the opening in the bottom of the boot. Do not attach the cable to the clip. It will be secured after the caster set has been installed. Lift the panel and slide the assembly into place. Insert the studs through the mounting points on the base of the walk-through boot. Ensure that the locking casters are mounted on the exit side of the archway. This allows the operator to easily engage or disengage the locks, and also reduces the possibility of any pedestrian interference. Fasten the caster assembly using a provided washer and lock nut for each mounting point. Lift the walk-through to slide the second caster assembly in place, and repeat the process of securing it with the provided washers and lock nuts. If power is routed along the floor, select the corresponding cable routing hardware for the desired side. The bracket is installed in the outboard location to ensure that the power cord does not interfere with traffic. Insert the walk-through power receptacle into its clamping bracket and secure with a number 8 screw and washers. And then secure the cable with the retaining loop with the remaining screw and washers.